Yes, student, we continue with the topic oxidation and reduction. In previous video, in previous classes, we discussed about the oxidation and the reduction concept. Here we discuss about the concept of oxidation and reduction in the by the electronic concepts. Okay, student, it is clear or not? By the electronic concept. Electronic concept means donation of electrons or gaining of electrons. Clear? So here electronic concept, the oxidate when we simple way, oxidation means the addition of oxygen, okay, and reduction means the addition of hydrogen. But according to the electronic concept here, the discuss oxidation means electronic concept, that is removal of electrons is called oxidation, while the gaining of electrons is called reduction. Clear? So here this is the concept. When the donation of electron is called oxidations, and removal of hydrogen is removal gaining of hydrogen as gaining of electrons is called reduction, and donating of electrons is called oxidations here. Okay, so this is second topic is addition of oxygen. It means that C plus O2 equals to CO2. Here the oxygen is added, so this is oxidations. Now here removal of oxygen in reduction. Removal of oxygen, it means that CuO plus H2 equals to Cu plus H2. So this is reduced. Copper is reduced here because hydrogen removed oxygen from CuO. It means that removal of oxygen in reduction. Clear? This is reduction. Third, addition of electronegative ions. Electronegative ions, addition of electronegative ions, that is Zn plus 2 HCl equals to ZnCl2 plus H2. Here the Cl2 is added, chlorine is added. This is electronegative ions. Okay, so Zn addition of adding of chlorine in Zn. This is electronegative in nature, chlorine. So it added ZnCl2. So here the oxidations occur here. Now here addition of electropositive ions. Here is electronegative ions. Here is electropositive ions. 2HgCl2 equals to SnCl2 equals to Hg2Cl2 plus SnCl4. Okay. So here Hg added Hg2. This is the electropositive ions Hg. So it is addition of electropositive ions here. Clear, student? And here removal of hydrogen. H2S plus Cl2 equals to 2HCl and S. So here hydrogen is removed from H2S, and this is the removal of hydrogen. This is oxidation, because from sulfur hydrogen is reduced from sulfur and get it is hydrochloric acid and sulfur is free. So this is removal of hydrogen in the process of oxidations. Here addition of hydrogen. Okay, this is a reciprocal of oxidation. Addition of hydrogen, here is removal of hydrogen. Here addition of hydrogen, Cl2 plus H2S equals to 2HCl plus S. Okay, so here H2 is added in Cl2. So here is 2HCl plus S. This is not addition of hydrogen. Clear? So here the hydrogen is added in Cl2, chlorine. So this is the chlorine. Here chlorine is hydrogen is added in chlorine. So this reaction is called reduction. This reaction is called reduction. Clear? Addition of hydrogen, Cl2 plus H2S. This is addition of hydrogen here and removal of hydrogen here, because clear. So this is same reactions, but chlorine here reduced, so added by H2, so sulfur is reduced and this is hydrogen is added, so this is called reduction. Clear, student? And next is removal of electropositive ions. It means that potassium is electropositive ion, so here the potassium is released from iodine and removed from iodine, then it forms 2KOH and I2, so this is removal of positive ions, electropositive ions, sorry. And here removal of electronegative ions. Electronegative ions just as like chlorine, so here 2FeCl3 plus H2 is equals to FeCl2, Cl2 this is. Here one chlorine removed from FeCl3, so this is the removal of electronegative ions. So the difference between oxidation and reduction is there, and only oxidation depends on these concepts and reduction is depends on this concept, electronic concept, gaining of donating of electrons, gaining of electrons, addition of oxygen, removal of oxygen, addition of electronegative ions, addition of electropositive ions, removal of hydrogen, addition of hydrogen, and removal of electropositive ions, and removal of electronegative ions. Thank you, student. Take care.